If you're still unfamiliar on how to do bulleting and numbering on Google Docs, you can easily select this from the toolbar, and there's a lot of options to choose here. You can choose checklist or you can choose bullet list. Make sure to click the menu so you can choose whatever you want, whatever suits you. Just going to choose this one. Let's say honey, and then there's two type of bullet. If you want the black type, you can press return or enter, or if you want this one, the smaller one, you can press tab. Just like so. Honey, mustard, and then if I want to go back, I just press backspace or delete if you're on Mac. I don't know why it's not working, but if it's not working, you guys can just press this again. Like so. You can press this again and you're all set to on your black bulletin charcoal, just like that.